Hello guys, welcome back to Weekmix Media. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Enjoy today's update.
Hello lovely people, bless you for coming. About Weekmix Media, another update on our board, and today we do room our medical and our could show these studios come while they're here. Now over the week, you can say Asake about making some post to be of a private jet, new private jet BHS or posty and are just a new or trade new and or the training hand air and emoji at all. Then the man for sure say speculate a news and is now as a cat to new private jet, as a cat to new private jet, as a kid the whole private jet. Now a man for refer to medicals. Medical will be a what's it hold pass as a kid, as a kid to private jet. Where is yours? And Rebecca ya medical so apusti the self sitting on a private jet and not say on so channels also holy private jet. The conversation the pop up and not say content creators be bring after more discussing say as a care private jet medical also a private jet name on babo and me country will be and on could show in studio so could show them and come to share question na Scanty Babeka say, or the unjindi se medical or private jet because medical or private jet and Kobama man saying in because medical there and is a life na better boom just only private life ni be a will be ano or making sure so the baba bontena will be a se car no better or the baba bonten it is a medical or private jet and gas aminka or sure se Ghana phone united at da and yet na okay ebe drop the self sitting on a private jetty and ever be raising this convo medical so a private jet. Eii Scanty the also only the on gene is a medical or private jet na any settings what I say and a medical at home watching a Kodeshodi studios them discussing about this as a care private jet medical private jet and or through be the money Eii Scanty for any commenter or passes say ukuru Ghana need you know the belief say wait matter private jet but obi ala tamine ala tanidie only the private jet what only the ugidi say as a kibit matter private jet any blast near Scanty ageno from medical near some ketwa you know room na yin should be bra as we go through now leave you comment now like na pay o shema for enya akonya hwebi.
You what you do for you yourself as a human being, as a young man, what do? They sit there, they will pay your buff. Charlie.
When medical posted 2 months ago, one fan can on toy. I say you buy, I know say you buy. If medical buy private jet for Ghana, we don't even need people to tell us on what how medical is someone that I can't say he the boost, but medical is always out there. He does okay. Well, come back in Castle. Somebody who said, I have 6 bathrooms in my house. Okay. Try this new offense. Okay. Is the one who wants to private jet? Do you think medical will buy a private jet and sit down for okay. Okay. But he's telling you that he has a private jet. You don't get. How you don't get? It's only one. No. So do you believe Asake has bought a private jet? Yes. Listen. Medical has bought.
Yeah. Charlie Ghana. Hey, you ready? You don't know Asake for anywhere. You know me time before. You know me for Ghana. You be Ghanaian. I be your fellow Ghanaian brother. Asake say he buy jet. You say yeah, you didn't believe. Medical say he buy jet. You said no, he don't get. He will lie. A crewman a pay and I said it. Why would you say a PS2 controller? It will be one okay cardio pay. Hey. Charlie.
Yeah, so that be the messenger. A medical whilst watching a could show this studios, or this Sunday a could show them, and so and the team, not just any some ketua. Now, and so honoma, my initiate a show ni this particular video we no be about this or by Jim Frema. Now, you say blasting the Twitter. I don't know about which you miss na tinkophobia see because a band na. Yakase ni pass messy will be the dear, any no correct, but they all are far ni on for the new who ni ojidi. What you say? And you know, yanko na you move medical part 2 on Part 1 and 2 on Eii Scanty and Africa Kudi Shouting Studios. Embrace is here.
You see, I always they talk say it go take Ghana a long time to reach some level where the country for reach, because the mindset of the people where they live for this country, it be crazy. People be delusional as fuck. They there, they sit on a platform, they talk say somebody way from different country there. If you do, I mean, it possible, it be normal. But somebody will be your countryman, we did the same country side. They say like, no be possible, because maybe you they tire. So it assume say everybody they tire. They open your mouth, they talk say, what you get, anything no be possible, because maybe you they tire. So it assume say everybody they tire. They open your mouth, they talk say, what you get, anything get to the show. It is anything we get where we the show. It is say we like post anything we get. You know the number of things we get where we never post. We only they make you okay me. I only they make you see what I want make you see. What I don't want make you see or hear about me or hear say I get. I know who can show you. I know who post them. I know who can put for online. Niggas be very delusional. Get online. Say the skate makers for Nigeria say then they buy pens GLE and things. Then they call them packaging. If you package yourself, that be how you go get paid, because if skate maker you get some endorsement deal where they won't sign them, we pull up for the company there with Uber, then go pay Uber or Shaxi money. That be the money they will give them. Then go check the car where they drive or the car where they take them. You know, if you pull up in some Shaxi or some taxi or some Uber and then come call, say me they give them $200,000 or $100,000, you decrease. If you pull up right. So if you be some car dealer or some party we get some nice car, we be TLE or Range Rover or something, make it take pull up, make the company acknowledge them and say no, this person he go be worth any amount we call. If be so, then they do then they call them packaging. They talk to your own countrymen where they shoot skate, they sleep gutter inside self, they don't get car answers. You what you get? You scanty, what do you get? So yeah, content, TV, so they all no sounds so entertainment. The only no been also I don't also to GLE. Why if you know buy Range Rover? Or it is say no be possible. It be because of your mindset. If you change your mentality, because people they watch your channel. People they watch your channel, the kiddies they watch, then they see I'm saying no Ghana they hey we tire. We see what the boys say they talk. It means say no be possible. But you they sit down, they praise somebody with a different country. Say, it be possible for me, it be possible by your own countryman. Oh, it not be possible. If you think like that, you will be poor forever.
But that's a piece of our stage show about we do something so way. So that be the video for you. What they say, that be what is trending to use a medical decoration these studios or more trendy. If it is matter with it take them trend. Oh, media the top and you some good to her. But also will leave your comment below in the comment section concerning this update. And my reviews over like and subscribe and if what any all notification bell. Me that's a pin the Andy. Macron, bye bye.
Yo, it's your boy Cocky Smart. So we pay entertainment news bia, pay trending news bia, uncle baby Weekmix media, obey the correct amount. Hey, I don't be na wall. Mr. When you cancel me power chow. Subscribe my say the bay the bibia tuma ubenya. Why me that's it.